addition and subtraction of fraction. Addition and subtraction of fraction. Here are the example we want to take a look at. The first example is 2 over 9 plus 5 over 9. What is the first thing we are going to do? The first thing we are going to do is you find the LCM. The LCM of 9 and 9. What I mean by the LCM is that you are finding the lowest common multiple. You look at the down number. Which one is the down number? 9 is the down number. 9 is the down number here. So you will now find the LCM between the two down numbers. So we will now say the LCM of 9 and 9 will give us 9. If we have the same number, the LCM will remain that number. For instance, if it were to be 7 that was here and 7 that is here, it means the LCM of 7 and 7 will give us 7. The LCM of 8 will give us 8. So the LCM of 9 and 9 will give us 9. Here now, after that we will say that 9 will go in 9. How many times? 9 will go in 9 once. This 9 will divide 9 1. We now use that 1 to multiply the number on top. And 1 times 2 will give us 2. Plus is here, you put plus. If it is minus, you put minus. If it is plus, you put plus. 9 will go in 9. That is 1 again. You now use that 1 to multiply the number on top, which is 5. 1 times 5 will give us 5. Let me come again. 9 and 9, 1. 1 times 2, it is 2. I write it here. Plus is at the middle. Now say 9 will go in 9 again. 1 times 5, that is 5. Now we can add it together. 2 plus 5 will give us 7 all over 9. That is our final answer. Here is the second example where we have different denominator. We have 6 here as a denominator and 8 here. Here we have different denominator. And if we are adding or subtracting fraction, the first thing you will do, like I said earlier, is that you will find the LCM. And the LCM of 6 and 8, the way I taught you during when we were doing LCM, you can do it this way, 6 and 8. 2 will go here, 3. 2 will go here, 4. 2 can go here, it cannot go, you repeat it, 3. 2 in 4, 2. You use 2 again, 2 can go in 3, it cannot go, you repeat the number. 2 in 2, 1. So 3 can go, 3 in 3, that is 1. You multiply all of this together, 3 in 3, 1, 3 in 1, 1. So you multiply all of this together to get your LCM. That is 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12 times 2, that's 24. So the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. So you put 24 on that. You are looking for the LCM of 6 and 8. So the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. You will now say, you take the down number first. 6 will go in 24. That is 4. It will go 4 times. We now use that 4 to multiply the odd number. Let me repeat myself again. 6 will go in 24. It will go 4 times. So 4 times 5. That is 20. That is for this. And for the second one, plus is at the middle, you put plus. If it is minus, you put minus. 8 will go in 24. 8 will go in 24. That is 3. 8 in 24, 3. 3 times the 3 on top, that is 9, which is equals to 29 over 24. If we add it together, that is 29. 20 plus 9 will give us 29 over 24. Because this up number is bigger than the down number, you convert it to a mixed fraction, which is how many times will 24 go in 29? It will go 1 time, remainder 5 all over 24. Let's take a look at another example. number 3 example, where we have minus, which is the same way or the same method in which you will use. The method you use in doing addition is also the method you use in doing the minus, which is subtraction. The first thing you will do is you will find the LCM, and the LCM is between 10 and 15. Let's do our LCM. Let's find out our LCM between 10 and 15. That is the down number, which is 2 will go here, 5. Can 2 go here? No, you repeat it, 15. 3 can go here. 3 cannot go in 5, so you repeat it, 5. 3 can go in 15, that is 5. You come again, you write 5 and divide 5, 5 and divide. So 5 in 5, 1, 5 in 5, 1. So you multiply all of this together to get your LCM. 2 times 3, that is 6, 6 times 5, 30. So 30 is your LCM. 10 will go in 30, it will go 3 times. You now use the 3 to multiply 7, that is 21. You write it, 21. Minus is here, you put your minus. 15 will go in 30, that is 2 times. You now use the 2 to multiply 4, that is 8. That is all. Let me repeat myself again. For 10 will go in 30, that is, it will go 3 times. 3 times 7 will give us 21. We put minus. 15 will go in 30, it will go 2 times. 2 times 4, it will give us 8. Now we will subtract. 21 minus 8 will give us 13 over 30. Example 4, where we have 6 whole number 5 over 12 minus 3 whole number 3 over 4. If you want to solve this type of question, the first thing you settle out the whole number. 6 minus 3, that is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, then you now find your LCM. 6 minus 3 will give us 3. Then we have removed 6 minus 3, that is 3. Find the LCM. LCM between 12 and 4. 12 and 4, the LCM is 12. If we do it the same way we did for the other 3, and you will now say 12 will go in 12. It will go 1 times. 1 time, 1 times 5 will give us 5. We'll put 5 here. Minus will be at the middle. For which is minus is what we see here, so you put it there. 4 will go in 12. That is, it will go 3 times. 3 times. You now use 3 multiplied by 3. That is 9. Then you will see that 5 minus 9 is impossible. You will come here, you will borrow 1. And if you borrow 1, it will become 12 over 12. This one becomes 2. If it is 8 that is here, it will become 8 over 8. If it is 9 that is here, it will become 9 over 9. If it is 7 that is here, it will become 7 over 7. But because it is 12, you have come here to borrow 1. The 1, you convert it to fraction. So 12 over 12 will give us 1. So that is why we convert it to fraction and give us 12 over 12. You now use this 12, you add it to the 12 that we get, we convert the 1 into, you add it to the 5. So 12 plus 5 will give us 17. 17 minus 9 will now, that is 8 over 12. 17 minus 9 will give us 8. Don't forget this whole number, which is 2, remaining 2. So you write here, that is 8 over 12. Because you can still cut this down and cut this down. That is, the 2 can go here, 4. 2 can also go here, 6. 2 can go here again, 2. 2 can go here, 3. So our final answer will remain 2 whole number 2 over 3. That is our final answer. Let's look at this last example. Here we have this combination of plus and minus. The first thing you do is you will work out the whole number first. These are the whole number 3, 7, and 6. 3 plus 7, that is 10 minus 6. 3 plus 7 minus 6. That is for the whole number. We have 3 plus 7, that is 10 minus 6 will give us 4. That is for the whole number. Now for the fraction, we are left with this. These are the fractions: 7 over 8, 3 over 4, and 1 over 2. You find the LCM of these fractions. What are the LCM? What are the numbers you find their LCM? It is 8, 4, and 2. They are the down number, which are the denominator. So what is the LCM of 8, 4, and 2? The LCM is 8. If we use that method of LCM, so 8, you will now take them one after the other. 8, the down number, will go in the LCM, 8, which is 1. 1 times 7, right? 7. Plus is there, you put plus. 4 will go in 8. How many times? It will go 2 times. So 2 times 3, that will give us 6. Then you put minus, there is minus here. You put minus. Now you take 2. 2 will go in 8. That is 4. That is 4, and 4 times 1 will give us 4. You add this together, 7 plus 6 will give us 13. 13 minus 4, that is 9. That is 9 over 8. 9 over 8. Don't forget this mixed fraction, which is 4 whole number, 9 all over 8. This one is bigger than this. In this case, you will change it to mixed fraction. It will now be 4. This to mixed fraction will give us 1 whole number. 8 will go in 9, that is 1. Remainder 1 over 8. This one now, you will now add it to 4, making 5 whole number 1 over 8.